Today's a Sunday, and we being asked to stay home, and so we're gonna do experiment today with Kennedy, the chef from Harborside. And today, what we have here, we have barbecue duck. Okay, no bones, so I'll remove all the bones, and we're gonna make.
So who made this duck?
Oh, I did.
Yeah. Show your face. No, you good? Yes. He made it. He marinated it.
Yeah, I marinate that the duck with lemongrass, garlic, oyster sauce, and the Dubai sauce.
Makes it really bitter.
Yeah. Now, okay. So what Kennedy is going to be doing is going to make a roast duck, barbecue duck roll.
Yep, sushi roll. So this is duck we're gonna eat later on, but I got a few pieces. Mix it up and make this sushi, right? I'm gonna do it really quick. Get your nori, your seaweed, sushi rice that I've already made. Did a good handful of it. Roll this up. Okay. Add some duck pieces. Duck is the flavor, so you don't need too many ingredients in it. So I'm just gonna add some cucumber to add just a little bit of crunch. So it's gonna stuff the sushi a little bit. With every bite you have that fresh cucumber with like a bitter duck face and roll it together. Yeah. And shake the roll. Booty. Okay, there it is. Duck sushi, look at that. See that? Okay, you can eat it straight up because there's a lot of flavor. We got this sauce right here. It's like a fish sauce with scallions, cilantro, green onions, peppers, toasted rice powder, sugar. It's just like a lao gel that we do with meat, fruit, whatever you want. You put it on it, but we could just try it by itself. So, okay. I'll reach out to you. You can grab it with your hand. And put it in your mouth.
All right.
And I'm gonna eat this with you, so cheers.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's try this.
Oh. I don't think you need the sauce.
Like I said, the duck is so flavorful. So good. It's a 5-star cuisine.
Really good. Good job, Kennedy.
I'm gonna try it with the sauce though. Delicious too. Look at that. Cheers.
There you go.
Add this lao sauce on it.
I think this will just kick up a lot of another notch.
The sauce ups it up a little bit actually. Really distinct flavor. Really good though. You won't find it anywhere else unless you come here. So that's
Yeah.
just about channel.
All right.
Now,